Hello friends, now we see the problem number 11, which is a based on shift of origin of chapter Locus. The problem number 11 is by shifting the origin to a suitable point O dash in bracket HK, axis remaining parallel, reduce the equation 4x square plus 9y square plus 16x minus 18y plus 24 is equal to 0 to the form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. In bracket a greater than 0, b greater than 0, bracket complete. Find O dash in bracket HK and the values of small a and small b. Now let's see the solution. So here we have given that the old equation of locus is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16x minus 18y plus 24 is equal to 0. Now rearranging the terms, we get 4x square plus 16x in one bracket plus 9y square minus 18y in second bracket, and that equal to plus 24. We shift on RHS, so we get minus 24. From first bracket we take 4 common, so 4 in bracket x square plus 4x plus from second bracket we take 9 common, so 9 in bracket y square minus 2y, and that equal to minus 24. Now here to get first bracket and second bracket complete square, we need the last term. So the last term here is LT is equal to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x the whole bracket square, and that is equal to 1 by 2 into, now coefficient of x is plus 4, the whole square. On cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so here we get 2 the bracket square, and that gives us plus 4. So this is LT for first bracket. Now for second bracket, LT is equal to 1 by 2 into coefficient of y whole bracket square. So that equal to, now coefficient of y is minus 2. So 1 by 2 into minus 2 the whole square. We cancel here 2 from numerator denominator. So we left with minus 1 the whole square, and that gives us plus 1. So this is the required LT for the second bracket. Therefore, by using these two last terms, above equations can be written as 4 in bracket x square plus 4x plus that LT we find plus 4, then plus 9 in bracket we have y square minus 2y plus LT plus 1, and that equal to minus 24. Now here we actually added 4 into 4, 16 LHS, so we have to add plus 16 on RHS also. Similarly 9 into 1, we added plus 9 on LHS, so we have plus 9 on RHS also. Therefore, the next step will be 4 Now this bracket I can write x plus 2 the whole square plus 9 in bracket y minus 1 the whole square and is equal to 1. Now here we let x plus 2 is equal to capital X and y minus 1 is equal to capital Y. So the next step will be 4 into x square plus 9 into y square is equal to 1, which can be written as x square upon 1 by 4 plus y square upon 1 by 9 is equal to 1. So which is of the form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So on comparing we get a square is equal to 1 by 4 and b square equal to 1 by 9. Taking square root on both sides, so we have a is equal to plus minus 1 by 2 and b equal to plus minus 1 by 3. But in the problem they mention a must be greater than 0, at the same time b also greater than 0. So we must have a is equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to 1 by 3. So in this way we get the values of a and b. Also the shift of origin O dash in bracket HK equivalent to minus 2 comma plus 1. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.